Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Before going ahead, I would like to introduce myself. Myself, Miss Hina, and I am a counselor. I know that you all are facing a very tough situation right now. Not you, even I am along with you who is facing a very tough situation in our life right now. We all are facing the similar situation, that is because of COVID 19. We all are stuck down at home, we are not able to move out, and all of us are in a situation like what to do now, how to cope up with the situation, when our life will be coming to a normal pace. So it's creating a lot of stress in our mind. So today I will be discussing about stress with you all. What is stress, and is all stress bad, or it's just our mental psyche feeling that we feel like that stress is always a bad. So we will be discussing about it. What is stress basically? Stress is basically your emotional and mental stabilityness. It is basically the triggers that triggers you out that it is very bad. It is basically some of the demanding circumstances which lead to stress basically. We all face stress in our life, whether we are going to school, in a job place, whether some family member is ill in our family, or whether we have some money troubles. These are all the common triggers of stress. We find that all stress are bad, but it's not exactly. All stress are not bad. Stress can make you aware of about the things around you, and it keep you focused also by enhancing your strength. It enhance your strength and give you positivity also that you have to do that thing. It is not right to say that what stresses you out is same for everyone. It may not be the same situation. Right now you may be feeling stress because of that you are not moving, going out, you can't meet somebody, but it can't be the same situation for me. I am really relaxed and feeling happy that I got time to spend with my family because of this lockdown. Though there's a problematic scenario around, but at last I am getting chance to be a part of my family for a longer period of time. Earlier I used to go out and for my job, and I used to come back in the evening, and we used to spend less time with our family members. So it is not the same situation for everyone, so it's better you should understand that what stresses you out is not the same factor that stresses other person also. It's basically depends upon the your body type, how much your body can deal with those situations. It basically depends upon that. If your body is tough, you can deal with any situations in your life. Stress is just a little bit of that. You can enhance any situation in your life. Stress, if your body is not coping up, it may lead to your hormonal changes, your cardiovascular or nervous system breakage. It may lead to the also your heart rate may go up. You may remain tense for entire day. You will start sweating out, and you will also giving a lot of energy will be coming out of you, which is always in a negative form. So basically we have two type of stress. One is a good stress and one is a bad stress. So let's discuss what is a good stress and a bad stress. Good stress is basically for a shorter period of time. It comes for a short period of time, and it do not have any negative impact on you. It's just that you can take an example, just when you are going for an interview, you get nervous, that nervousness is a short for a short period of time, and when you enter the room for the interview and you give your interview and you come out, you get relaxed, right? So it's basically a short span. When you just think about it, what will be happening, and in a go that went off. So it always when you have some butterflies moving around your tummy, you are getting nervous, these are just a tinge of stress. That weekend it's a short for a short period of time, and when that period goes off, the stress automatically goes off. When you are working in a job, in an organization where you have to handle a project and you get a chance to handle a project alone, and suddenly that you get stress of how to do that, whether I will be able to do that, whether I will be using my potential and I will be achieving the goals. And when you do that thing, that stress relieves. So it's just a good stress is just for a short period of time. But when we are talking about a bad stress is basically for a longer period of time, until you cope up with that thing. It leads to anger, frustration. You will not like to do anything because you do not want to cope up with that thing. You do not allow your body to cope up with that thing, and you are struggling yourself because you don't want to come out of that thing. So bad stress is have a very drastic impact on your life. So it's you who can only cope up with that stress, because you have to inbuilt yourself that whatever may be the situation, you are always ready to cope up. Until and unless you make your body energized, you will not cope up with any type of stress in your life. I hope you have liked my video, and I will be regularly updating my videos. And the next topic that I will be taking, I will shortly will telling you about what are the signs of stress and how you can overcome stress in your life. Thank you for having patience and listening to me, and if you like my video, please like it and give me a reply back. So thank you everyone. See you again. Bye.